everyone, we're going to evaluate the integral analytically from 0 to 4, and we have x squared, and e, it should be to the power of x divided by 2. I accidentally typed pi, so it should be an x there, dx. All right, so we're going to use tabular integration. We're going to let f of x equal x squared, and we're going to take all the derivatives, and g of x equal ex to the power of x divided by 2, and do all the integrals. So for the derivatives, we have f of x, and we're going to do the derivatives. So you just write down your x squared, and then derivative of x squared is 2x, 2, and then 0. And then for g of x, you're doing the integrals. And you go all the way down to this last line here. So basically, you're going to get e to the x power divided by 2. And then we're going to have 2x divided by e to the x divided by 2. Then 4 e to the power of x divided by 2. Then 8 e to the x power divided by 2. All right, now all we have to do now is you're multiplying these terms here. And it should be plus, minus, plus. So what we're going to get is, for the plus, you're going to get 2x squared e to the x divided by 2. Minus 8x e to the x power divided by 2 plus 16e to the power of x divided by 2. And basically we want to integrate this from 0 to 4. Now on this second step, what I'm going to do to make this easier is I'm going to, since each term has a 2 factor of it and an e to the power of x divided by 2, I'm going to factor that out. So let's do that. I'm going to factor out 2, and then also e to the x power divided by 2. Then you're going to get x squared minus 4x plus 8. And then again, we're evaluating from 0 to 4. Now let's go ahead and plug in 4. So this would be 2 times e. And then if you plug in 4, that's going to be squared. And then plugging in 4 here, you're going to get 16 minus 16 plus 8. Okay. And then for the 0, you're going to get minus, we don't need the 2 there, so we're going to do the 2 for the whole thing. E to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power equals 1. So then you have 1 times, and then we're going to get 0 minus 0 plus 8. Now let's simplify this. This is just going to be 8 here. So we're going to get 8, 2, this should all be like that, 2, 8e squared minus 8. You minus 8, minus a positive. So this is going to be, if you factor out an 8, you're going to get 16, and this is going to be e squared minus 1. And that will be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.